Dear students, how are you all? So dear students, today we people are going to discuss about the soil. Yes, the precious soil. The soil in which we grow the plants. आपको पता है soil के अंदर हम अकेले plants grow नहीं करते. It is a habitat to many animals as well. बहुत सारे animals भी इसी soil में रहते हैं. So let's discuss something about the soil. In this lesson, what are we going to study? We are going to see how the soil is formed in nature. आपको पता है पहले अर्थ में कुछ भी नहीं था. We were not having soil as such जैसी आज आपको मिलती है. Rocks थे सारी तरफ. तो we are going to discuss how did the soil form. We will identify what does the soil contain. We will classify the different types of soil and we will also explain how different types of soil are helpful for the crops. So बच्चे सबसे पहले let's get started. Composition of soil. What is soil made up of? Soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay particles, humus, water, air and minerals. सबसे पहले composition करवाने का मतलब पता है क्या है? Because slowly I am going to prove how is the soil formed, how does soil contain water, how does soil contain air. We are going to see all these things. तभी मैंने आपको composition सबसे पहले बता दी कि soil के अंदर gravel, sand, clay particles तो होते ही हैं, humus भी होता है जो कि dead plants और animals का remains होते हैं, water भी होता है, air content और minerals भी होते हैं. Now बच्चे, did any time the idea come in your mind? How do the soils form? Yes. So let's see this idea in greater detail.
Now dear students, let's start with the formation of soil. Formation of soil is a continuous and a gradual process. It's a whole process of disintegration of the bedrock into a finally developed soil. आपको पता है how does the soil forms? It's formed due to many factors like wind, climatic conditions, rain. Due to this climatic conditions, the rocks break down into the fine material called soil. The process of breaking of the rocks into the smaller pieces due to the natural factors is called weathering or rock disintegration. पता है ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम जो रॉक्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही हीट अप हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू द सनलाइट. नाइट को द रॉक्स कूल डाउन. अब व्हेन द वेदर चेंजेस, हॉट एंड कोल्ड कॉम्बिनेशन कम्स, इनमें क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं और जब रेन इनमें एंटर करती है हमारे रॉक्स और वीकन हो जाते हैं. Once the rocks are weakened up, they start breaking up, and then the small rocks is carried by water further, and they are being broken even further into the tiny rock pieces. और जब ये tiny rock particles organic matter मतलब humus के साथ mix up होते हैं, they form the soil. So dear students, this is a process of formation.
So dear students, you know Earth is the only planet where life is present. Yes, isn't it interesting? बहुत सारी places हैं जैसे कि deserts है, hills है, seas है, rivers हैं, plains हैं, मतलब अलग अलग landforms. तो जितनी landforms उतनी तरह के plants और उतनी तरह के animals live on them, right? You know earlier there was no life on Earth. Earth पे कोई life नहीं थी as we had seen it in the video. Only what was found? Rocks were present. These rocks were then heated by the sun and the rains cooled them. Is that clear? So जब ये heat और ये cold इनके ऊपर पड़ता रहा rocks के ऊपर तो बच्चे you know what happened? Continuously rocks धीरे धीरे break होते गए into smaller pieces. मैंने आपको 3 steps दिखाए ना वीडियो के अंदर. So water and wind then displaced these rocks and the smaller rocks then rubbed against each other and formed more tiny particles, and these particles then formed the soil. This is what we had seen. So this was how the soil was formed. Students, we had already done the composition of soil. Soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay particles, humus, water, air and minerals. Now let's see the soil profile. Soil profile का मतलब होता है अलग अलग layers. कौन कौन सी layers हमारी soil के अंदर available हैं? सबसे top पे होती है humus. And humus is the most fertile soil, right? So humus is present on the top of soil. It is formed by the remains of leaves and grass. Humus is highly rich in minerals. बच्चे जो humus होती है ना वो बहुत rich होती है minerals के अंदर. Microbes are also present in it. What do you understand by microbes? Microbes can be fungi, it can be some other organisms. They are present in the humus. But the second layer is clay. Clay is thick, heavy soil that is soft when wet and hard when dry. Is that clear? और clay के अंदर moisture content बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है? तो ये thick होती है, heavy soil होती है, soft हो जाती है और sticky हो जाती है जब ये wet होती है, लेकिन hard होती है when it is dry. Last, it is gravel. You know what is gravel? It is the lowest layer of soil. It is made up of small stones, right? किसका बना होता है ये? Small stones का बना होता है. So बच्चे, these were the layers of soil. Again remember, humus, clay, sand and gravel, right? Now dear students, let's see soil has water. Take a test tube, put some soil into the test tube. Keep it aside. Light a spirit lamp. On lighting a spirit lamp, bring the test tube on it and heat it. When you heat the test tube and the soil within gets heated, we will see the water vapor coming inside the test tube. This states soil has water. Let's do this activity once again as per your book. बच्चे, हम लोगों ने प्रूफ क्या करना है कि soil contains water. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है? Take some soil in a container and cover the container with a lid. हमने उस कंटेनर को लिड से कवर कर देना है. जब हम उसको हीट करते हैं तो कंटेंट्स इनसाइड द कंटेनर, यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस? जब आप थोड़ी देर बाद वो लिड उठाओगे ना, यू वुड बी सीइंग द टाइनी ड्रॉपलेट्स प्रेजेंट ऑन द लिड. और वो टाइनी ड्रॉपलेट्स क्या है? वाटर. सो ये क्या बताता है कि सॉइल कंटेन्स वाटर इन इट. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट. To show the presence of air in the soil, take a beaker, put some dry soil into it. When we put some dry soil into the beaker and finally when we put some water, let's see to it what do we find. On putting the water into the beaker, after some time we are going to observe that the bubbles start blowing up. They start coming up. But do you know why the bubbles are coming? Because soil has air present in it. When water is mixed with soil, it displaces the air and the bubbles are seen. Dear students, let's do this practical as per your book. When you water a plant, you will see the bubbles coming out from the soil. The reason is that soil contains air, which is trapped inside the tiny particles. And when we add water, the air comes out in the form of bubbles. Do practice this. आज आपने भी अपने घर में अगर plants लगे हैं ना, तो उनको water देना है. तो जब आप देखोगे थोड़ी देर बाद ना उनके अंदर bubbles आने लग जाते हैं. And this shows soil contains air in it. Thank you.